In the Divi theme, you can change the footer text here from the Elegant Themes and WordPress credits to your own text using the theme customizer. So log into your website and access the theme customizer either from the front end of the website by hovering over the site title and selecting Theme Customizer, or from the back end you can access it via Divi Theme Customizer or Appearance Customize in the WordPress menu. Once in your theme customizer, select Footer and then Bottom Bar. And if we scroll down there, we'll see a box to edit footer credits. So you can type or paste in your footer credits here and you'll see them change. Now you notice I'm using a copy and year shortcode. When I'm logged out, this will actually automatically display the copyright symbol and the current year. This isn't built into the Divi theme, but we do have a post on how to do it. It does involve code though, so if you prefer not to do any coding, you can just put in the symbol and the year manually. Okay, once you've updated your footer text, click Publish to save your changes.